Okay, this is a waterproof gland video. Out of the box, you'll get your connectors and your caps. Let's pull those out. So what I have here is 3 waterproof gland connectors and a cap. So let me take a gland. This will be your Ethernet cable. With your waterproof case, connecting your cable like this is not waterproof. So what you want to do, take your gland apart. There's 3 parts to this. Unscrew the compression nut. Take that out. The red rubber gland or grommet on the inside. Remove that and separate these 3 pieces into this particular order. You'll take the compression nut, slide this onto your crimped cable first. Take the waterproof grommet. It is split, so open that up and put that around your cable so this will slide freely. Lastly, take the cable, go through the gland, which is now hollow, and attach that to your waterproof connector or enclosure. Next, screw the gland on. Start the threads. These are machine threads, so that'll take just a little bit to get those lined up properly so it starts going on correctly. Take the grommet and slide that carefully into the teeth for the gland until it's seated flush. The compression nut is going to squeeze this and make this a waterproof connection. Lastly, take your compression nut and start that thread. So now you can actually finish screwing the gland tightly to the waterproof case, and then lastly start rotating the compression nut, and you will see the gland, the rubber grommet, squeeze down on that cable, and now you have a nice waterproof connection. That's it.